Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making this cute We Believe in Santa mini tiara tray sign. I used wood from Hobby Lobby. I cut it down to 6.5 inches long, and its width was already 2.5 inches. I painted the entire piece of wood using Rust-Oleum white chalk paint, and it took 2 coats to get an even coverage. While the paint dried, I cut out the cute We Believe in Santa saying using my Cricut. I got the saying off of design bundles, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out. Once the paint was dry, I used transfer paper and transferred the wording onto the sign. I then used my super secret wood and vinyl trick. I used my iron to melt the vinyl into all the cracks and crevices of the wood. This gives the sign more of a hand-painted look without the hassle of hand painting the letters. After ironing, I applied a layer of Mod Podge to give the sign a finished look. I used some thin wire ribbon and burlap to create a bow. And as you're all aware, I am not a good bow maker. So what I did was take a piece of the wired ribbon and fold it in half. I then took a piece of twine and tied it in the middle at the back of the ribbon. I shaped up the bow and then hot glued it to the strip I had already hot glued onto the sign. If you know of a good video to teach me how to tie a bow, please let me know in the comments. I have watched tons of videos and I still can't figure it out. This cute little sign works great on a tiara tray or simply sitting on a table or bookshelf. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas decor videos and gift ideas every week until Christmas, and you know you don't want to miss out on any of them. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.